I am advised by the experts, I think led by the investigation teams and also the chief government pathologist, that from Monday the autopsy examinations of bodies will begin at the mortuary, and therefore they will need a few days to set up the base there, so that we can also have a process where we also free the mortuaries, perhaps from the main mortuary to the temporary mortuary, which we have received from one of our partners, and therefore that is what will be happening from Monday. But just finally again to emphasize that just because of the rains, that activity will have to be interrupted until the experts determine that the conditions are good enough for them to carry out that process, because it is carried in a particular way. Nawashukuru sana, nawatakia baraka za Mwenyezi Mungu. Kwa sababu ya masaa, maybe one, because the other day I never took questions, maybe one question. One. Okay, two quick ones. Two quick ones.
It's been 1 week since the exhumation exercise. My name is Mtai from NTV. It's been 1 week since what the post that we've been saying is that a majority, if not, I mean, most of the victims, if not majority of them, are children. What is the reflection of the government on that particular issue?
Yeah, as I've said again, investigations, exhumations are ongoing, but your recollection is true. I mean, your perception is true that the reports we are getting is that many of the recoveries are of children. For us as government, it just emphasizes the need for us to strengthen our child protection mechanisms to make sure that we don't expose our children to these risks. Children are the majority, followed by women, and the men are fewer. I think it's important that I say that in the same vein of accountability, the government will be announcing further measures that will have far-reaching implications on the future governance of churches, and also measures that will ensure that the search for truth is escalated to a level where we get to the bottom of the problem and make sure that something like this does not happen again. So we'll be making some further announcements from Tuesday.
Is there any link between Pastor Mackenzie and
it's too early now in the investigations, but we've not arrested him for nothing. Yes.
Thank you, guys.